Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's going to be a beautiful buttercream ombre look. If you guys want to learn how to make this beautiful cake, well, keep on watching. made this beautiful cake. In this particular video, I use buttercream, but you can also use Swiss meringue buttercream. And I'm gonna be putting a video very shortly about how I do my own Swiss meringue buttercream. So for this particular cake, what I did is that I started with a dark shade of whatever color that I wanted. I chose pink, but you can choose, like I said, any color that you want. And then I blend it in with white. And then what I do so that you get a nice transition, I actually mix both colors in between, so like that when I scrape it off with my scraper, it looks like it's one piece. But you can also use numerous colors to do so. Just make sure that you're blending where the colors meet. So like that, by blending it, you kind of like smudge it with your spatula, and then with your scraper, you're going to see that everything is going to be nice and smooth, and you won't have like those lines that really separate the colors. Everything is going to blend in. So I really like how it turned out. I think it was like very sophisticated and subtle. And then I just finished off with synthetic flowers on the side, and it's good to go. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. It was a very simple one this week. By the way, I'd like to say thank you so much for everybody that supported me and voted for me for this cake competition that I was in. So really grateful for that. Thank you so much for all your votes. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.